Allocate receipts. The process of allocating customer receipt is the matching of a receipt received from a customer against the relevant customer invoice issued to flag as received. This is not a compulsory procedure and is optional to the user. For an example, sometimes you may receive customer advances and you can enter customer advances to the system. Later, you will enter customer invoice. If you haven't allocated that receipt or customer advance to the invoice, when you generate customer outstanding report, system will display invoice separately and receipt separately. In that case, you cannot get actual picture of your customer outstanding. In addition to that, sometimes when you enter customer receipts, your users may forget to allocate the invoice. In that case also, when you generate customer outstanding report, system will display invoice separately and receipt separately. Same way, when you enter credit notes, sometimes you might not link the invoice to the credit note. In that case also, system will display invoice and the credit note separately in the outstanding report. To get a clear outstanding report, it's necessary to allocate your customer receipts or customer credit notes to the customer invoices. You can allocate receipts or credit notes from customer. Go to Customers, Transactions, Allocate Receipts. Select the customer. Click Refresh. Then you can view outstanding invoices in left hand side and unallocated receipt in the right hand side. Under unallocated items, you can view credit notes, customer adjustments, and receipts. If you want to view all transactions, including allocated transactions, you can uncheck this option, show outstanding only, and refresh. Then system will display already settled transactions. Now this invoices due amount is 0. That means it has already settled. If you want to view only outstanding invoices, you can check this show outstanding only and refresh. Then system will display only outstanding invoices. After that, there are 3 display options: all invoices, invoices between, and specific invoice number. If you select all invoices, system will display all outstanding invoices. If you select second option, invoices between, you can select date range. We have selected this date range, therefore system will display only this date range outstanding invoices. If you select specific invoice number, system will display that invoice number. Refresh. System will display only that invoice number. Like that, you can change display options, all invoices, invoices between and specific invoice number. Next, you can allocate unallocated items to invoices. You can just drag and drop to invoice. Here you can drag, then that icon color will red, and when you drop it will change to green. Red color change to green, then due amount will 0. And drag and drop, due amount is 0. Here right side receipt credit note now not displayed. If you want to unallocate again, you can just drag and drop to right side. Now this credit note we will allocate to this invoice number 0007. Now icon color is red. When you drop, it will change to green. Now due amount is 0 and credit note will not display in the right hand side. Like that, you can allocate. If you have mistakenly allocate, you can unallocate again and reallocate to correct invoice. Now by clicking this plus mark, you can view what is the receipt or credit note or customer adjustment you have allocated to this invoice. And if you want to allocate one receipt or credit note or customer adjustment to more than one invoice, you can drag and drop. Now this invoice we have allocated, this customer adjustment has another unused amount 2500, can allocate to this. Now due amount reduced to 4000 and customer adjustment not displaying the unallocated items. Like that, you can allocate. And by clicking this plus mark, you can view what are the transactions allocated to this invoice. Next, sometimes you need to allocate specific amount to invoice. Now we have one receipt 6000 and we want to allocate 2000 to this 0011 invoice, 2000 to 12 invoice and 2000 to 14 invoice. In that case, we can use this split unallocated amount, split unallocated item amount. Check this option and you can drag and drop to the invoice. Now new window will open. It will ask please enter value you are allocating to that amount. You can enter 2000 and click OK. Now you can see that 4000 due amount reduced to 2000 and in this receipt unused amount reduced to 4000. We'll allocate another 2000, enter 2000, due amount reduced by 2000 and here unused amount 2000. Allocate here, enter 2000 and click OK. Like that, you can allocate receipts, credit notes or customer adjustments to invoices. After that, you can save.